Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are eager to learn complex concept in the simple way, you are in the right place. Today we are diving into the world of circular array queues in data structures and algorithms. So don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. What is circular queue? A circular queue is a linear data structure that operates on the first in, first out principle. Unlike standard queues, it connects the end back to the beginning, forming a circle. This design allows for efficient use of storage space, addressing common limitations found in traditional queue implementations. Why use a circular queue? One of the primary advantages of a circular queue is its ability to prevent memory wastage by reusing vacant spaces. This makes it specifically useful in applications such as buffering, task scheduling, and scenarios where resources are managed in a circular manner. The main operation in a circular queue include enqueue to add elements at the rear and dequeue to remove elements from the front. Additionally, helper methods like isFull and isEmpty are used to check the queue's status. Here's the class definition for our circular queue. We initialize the array queue with the specified capacity and set of initial positions for front and rear. The size variable helps us keep track of the number and elements present in the queue. Let's talk about enqueue operations. The enqueue operation begins by checking if the queue is full using isFull method. If it is, we print a message and exit. Otherwise, we move the rear pointer to the next position using the module's operator to ensure it's wrapped around if it reaches the end of the array. We then add the new item at the rear position and increment the size. Let's move to dequeue operation. In the dequeue method, we first check if the queue is empty using the isEmpty method. If it is, we print a message and return -1. Otherwise, we retrieve the item at the front position, move the front pointer to the next position, decrement the size and return the removed item. Helper methods. These helper methods are straightforward. isFull returns true if the size equals to the capacity, indicating that the queue is full. isEmpty returns true if the size is 0, indicating that the queue is empty. In this main method, we add 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 to the queue. So now queue is full. Because of that, we can't add 60. So we then remove 10 and 20 and add 60 and 70 to the queue. And that's it. You have learned what the circular queue is and how to code it in Java. Circular queues are super useful when you want to save space like in games, network systems or buffering data. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more simple coding lessons and comment below if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.